front of me is REALME C63 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Password Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down, then hit Users and Accounts over here. Now tap on Google. Select Google Password Manager and tap on Accounts at the bottom left corner to hit Add Password at the top. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is on. Log in to any app and hit Continue in the pop-up to add your password that will appear over here. Then tap on Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top you can type in any website or click Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then input your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!